Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles, and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today, I'm going to be talking about duplicates, how to see them, how to flag them, how to drop them. So I have this auto data, which I've actually read in twice and stacked them together. They're identical for every variable, but to make it simpler, I've just used make price in miles per gallon. That'll just make it easier. As we add more variables, we can see them in the browse window easier. So let's say that I want to find duplicates. The question is, do I have duplicates in the data? It seems like I do. Let's go ahead and have Stata confirm that for us. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to say duplicates report. And the duplicate report is going to say that I have 2 copies of every observation. So there's 74 quote unquote extra observations in terms of all variables. I could also say duplicates report with respect to make, and then it would just do duplicates in terms of make, but everything's the same, so we have the same numbers as if we used all variables. Now, what I can do is if I want, I can list them all. If I want to list them all, I can go duplicates list, and that'll tell me it's going to say every single variable because every single variable has its own duplicate in the data. Again, I can do a variable list, so maybe I do duplicates list by make, and that'll do the same thing, except it's only going to report the make in the data, which is useful if you have maybe only 1 or 2 variables that you really care about in terms of identifying what's a duplicate or not. Now the screen is a little cleaner. Let's see if we can add a flag to the data set to indicate which ones are duplicates or not. To do that, I just say duplicates tag, and then I'm going to generate I'm just going to call it a dup underscore flag. Like this, and you can see that this is duplicates in terms of all variables and everything has a 1. Notice that what is happening is Stata is not distinguishing between sort of like the unique record and then the copy. It's just giving everything a flag. It's saying you have a copy somewhere in the data and I'm not telling you which one is the duplicate and which one isn't. So I'm flagging both records, which maybe isn't super great. But what I can do is if I want to drop them, I can say duplicates drop. So when Stata sees 2 copies of every observation, it's going to pick one and drop one. So this is super useful for dropping exact duplicates. In the next video, we'll talk about how to identify and drop duplicates that are not duplicates across every variable. But hopefully this was helpful in terms of talking about the duplicates commands within Stata. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.